In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to install a SATA hard drive into a desktop computer. So how do you know if you have a SATA hard drive or serial ATA? You look at the connectors here. You can see these little L-shaped connectors. This one here is for the cable, and this one here is for the power right here. This one drive even has the option to use the older Molex power connector. So to get started, we have to put the hard drive into our desktop. This particular desktop has these brackets to hold the hard drive. So you take it out like this, take your drive, put it in. So you can see there's 4 screws on the bottom of a hard drive, and you just need to line them up and then grab the screws that came with it and just secure it in like this. And every computer has a different way of connecting the hard drive to the actual desktop. You might have a bracket similar to this. You might not need any screws and just slide it in. You might have to screw in the screws into the side of the hard drive, but that's up to you as to find out how to get it in. But once you got it in your bracket, what you got to do is find the data connection for the serial ATA, and that is this skinny cable. As you can see, it has an L shape, the same as that, so you just need to match it up. Plug it in just like that, and now you need to find the power cable, which is sometimes hiding at the back here. Let's just grab this one. I get a little tangled back there sometimes. Okay, so this is what it looks like, is this power. Again, you have the L shape, the same L shape that is right here. So you just plug it in. Okay, slide the hard drive back until you hear a snap. And there you go. You've just installed a SATA hard drive.